Hello guys, this is Aki Ducky. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. So let's open FIFA Mobile. In today's video, I'll be giving top 3 tips of FIFA Mobile to be successful in the game. So let's go. So you can see I'm quite experienced player with many elite players. I'm just 2 players away from an all elite team. Overall 76. So guys, I'll give you top three FIFA mobile tips. First of all is don't let your energy flow away. Energy is the most important part of the game, so don't waste it guys. Play live events as it will give you more tokens or coins as it depends on the coin on the program. Like this gives coin on first play. I have played it so it's not showing it. So guys, energy is very important in this game. Don't let it flow, okay? Then, second tip is don't spend your coins and gems rapidly. If you do this, so you'll be in deep trouble soon. Don't be in a hurry to have an elite player or have an all elite team because elite players will come your way as you play the game. So and first select a tactic and then see your playing 11 according to that only buy players, because if you buy a elite player and it is not in your team, what's the use of it? Your coins are wasted. Then the third tip is never quick sell any player. You go to market, tap on sell, then like I have 18 silver, so I'll drop it. I can quick sell it for 100, but that's too low for him, so I'll enter minimum price to be 10,000 coins. Then buy now price would be 15,000 I guess. And post item, you can see it a tab my listings. It will show all the players or tokens you have sent for sale, and the players you see in the browse tab, these are all the players who some players have sold. So this is like an open market. If you have less coins or a shortage of coins, you can also do an auction for them. For example, place bid. I don't suggest you auction as the prices can go up to very high levels. So buy now is also good. So that's the 3 tips guys. Hope you play the game and be successful. And I'll give you some additional tips also. Frequently visit the store and know about the packs available in the store. Always check your daily free pack. It can have an elite, but it is very rare to have an elite in free daily pack. And always see for packs, as there might be any useful packs which you like, and spend your coins on it. I'm not suggesting that if you have a plan you like it and don't waste coins on that. No, players are the only thing you have in this. Players, coins and gems, these are the only things to get. So if you see a good plan, then spend your coins. Don't hesitate. Okay guys? Then frequently visit the plans. See, it has many plans which will give you good result. That see, I have is autofill. Let's claim it. These 3 players were of no use for me, so I exchanged them in a pack. Let's see. Yes, guys, I got a gold player instead of three silver players and a trophy. Nice. I'll update my team. So you see, plans are very useful. Keep investing in plan, guys. I hope you will be successful. Thank you, guys.